Hey, this is Jeff, and I have got a hot tip for you to help your online marketing. So one of the things that almost every business owner wants to do, probably you want to do this too, is get more traffic to your website, get more visitors to your website. So how do you do that? Well, of course, you can pay money to Google and they'll get clicks to your website or Facebook or other ad platforms. But once they get to your website, they may or they may not buy from you. They may be comparing you to some other people in the market and see who's got the best offer, see who's available or who's closest to them. There's a whole bunch of things they could be shopping for. Okay, so you don't want them to forget you because getting them to your website, that's probably one of the hardest parts, right? So after they get to your website, what we like to do is, it's a thing called remarketing or retargeting, or people call them the stalker ads, okay? So people go to your website, or like, for example, you go to a website, you go to a different website, and now you suddenly start seeing ads from the website you were at previously. Well, how does that work? Well, that's how Google became such a valuable company. So it's called remarketing or retargeting, and it's simply putting a snippet of code on your website, and so it puts a cookie on their browser, so if they go to another website, now that cookie gets triggered and the ad platform knows to show them an ad. Very, very cool. Google's not the only one that'll do that. Facebook will do it. And then Google won't allow you to do it in certain niches. So if you're in like the weight loss niche or something in certain other niches, Google will not let you put remarketing display ads on their network at all. So what do you do then? Well, there's other ad networks out there. A couple that we really like are Choosel and AdRoll. They both work really, really well, and they're easy to use, similar to what I already mentioned, where you just put a cookie on their browser, and so that's really easy. So if you want to discuss how we can help you do that, you can go to SEOguruAtlanta.com. Just fill out the contact form. We can have a 15-minute chat. There's a link to my calendar there. You can, schedule a discovery call. We can have that conversation. And then there's got to be a strategy to your remarketing effort. So you don't just want to show them the same ad over and over and over, because you're going to get ad blindness and your click-through rates can go down. And if your click-through rates go down, the ad companies will stop showing your ad because they're not making money if people aren't clicking on your ad. So we like to layer it. So we'll have, maybe 3 ads at the least. So the first retargeting ad could be similar to the first offer. The second one's going to be something similar, but maybe something a little bit different. And then the third one, we like to give a really good testimonial. So if you have a customer testimonial, that can make a really good retargeting ad. So we like to layer that, so we space it out a little bit over time, so we don't give them ad blindness where they just start ignoring the ads, and then we have a better chance of showing them some different offers and different aspects of maybe you or your company. And we think that people have a better experience rather than just seeing the same ad over and over and over, and I think you've probably experienced that too. So I hope this is helpful. Again, if you want to talk about how we can implement this for your company, my name is Jeff Tormey. My company is SEOguruAtlanta.com. So if you're spending money on buses or billboards or Google ads or Facebook ads or network marketing or anything like that, and you're getting people to your website, don't lose them. Make sure that you stay in front of them with a really effective remarketing campaign. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.